Hi, David, they call me MacGyver. Today I'm going to show you the toolkit you're going to need if you're putting in either LVP flooring or laminate flooring. Comes with a mallet, comes with a pull bar, comes with spacers, tapping block. So hang tight and we'll get started. So if you're doing laminate floor or LVP flooring, you're going to need an installation kit. This is a mallet that they send. This side has rubber on it, and this is a harder, it's rubber, but it's a harder, denser rubber. It's more likely to leave an indentation on the laminate. So you always want, if you're hitting it, you need to hit it with this side. And then when you're doing the pull bar, this is so that if you're up against a wall, you don't have enough space to put your block, you can actually hit down on here. This is a little bit more abrupt hit. This is a little softer. So, and when you're hitting your laminate, your block, you need to make sure that you're using the rubber end, because this might eventually damage the block and have it start splitting or cracking. Now their block has a lip on it, and you want to make sure you're not hitting up against the edge here, because if you do, there's a little piece here that'll end up busting off, and then it gets stuck down inside the groove. So when you use these blocks, it has to sit up like this, not just there, because that's hitting against the end of that, and it'll actually bust that little lip off. So it comes up above, so it's not sitting flat against the top of your board. It rolls up. Let me show you a little example here. So it doesn't go like that, it goes like that. So it's actually tipping up away from this piece here. If you start breaking these pieces off, it gets in there, and then your laminate won't go together, or your LVP, and that's nice and flat. But if that piece busts off, it'll end up sitting something like that, and there'll be a gap in there. And I don't care how hard you hit on the end, it's not going to go in there if you've got something in that crack in the groove. So just be aware of that. They'll send you a block of these. I think there's like 30 pieces of these, and these are your shims that you're going to space the end. And to get a 1/4 inch, it's going to sit about like that, so it's kind of off staggered, and you'll put it like up against the wall, and that'll keep your laminate from continuing to move as you're tapping one piece into another. This, when you get close to the wall, normally you're using the tapping block to, well, actually this way, to move this into the piece down to it. You'll be tapping this way. But when you get to the point where you can't swing a hammer, then you can use this up on the edge as well, and you can tap it in. So here's the groove, here's the tongue. You just tilt it up like this, and you lay it down. Now see how that's tipping? If you take your block, and this is the side that has the notch in it, if you'll turn it around this direction, you tap it, and it goes right in. If the tongue is on this side, and you're having to put the groove underneath the tongue, and if it tips, you just tap it, and it'll drop down. Well, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope that was some good information for you, and I will put a link down in the description so you can get the installation kit. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, then every time I come out with a new video, you'll be notified. Thanks a lot, and you have a great day.